Welcome to your SST class, dear students. Come to the new lesson, that is atmosphere. And first of all, write down today's date on it. And dear students, in this chapter we will main focus on two topics. First one will be composition of atmosphere and second one of structure of atmosphere. Now let's start to read, beta. The Earth is the only planet in the solar system known to sustain life. मीन्स प्लैनेट के अंदर सोलर सिस्टम में अर्थ ही एक ऐसा प्लैनेट है जिसे सस्टेन लाइफ जीवन जीने के लिए सबसे सही माना जाता है. द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एयर वाटर एंड लैंड makes it possible for life to exist here. So what thing make life possible? Air, presence of air, water and land. In this chapter we will study about the envelope of air present around the earth, also called the atmosphere. My dear students, an envelope around the earth, a blanket of air, that is called atmosphere. You know very well, the atmosphere is a mixture of various gases and is held in place by Earth's gravitational force. First of all, the atmosphere is a mixture of various gases. A lot of gases are there in atmosphere. And dear students, why they are held in atmosphere around the earth? Because earth's gravitational force. This layer extends from the surface to approximately 1600 किलोमीटर above the surface of the earth. और जो लेयर है हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर की, हमारी अर्थ के क्रस्ट से लेकर 1600 किलोमीटर तक अबव एरिया में, हमारी अर्थ से अबव तक फैली हुई है. नाउ आवर टॉपिक इज कंपोजिशन ऑफ एयर. एज वी रीड अबव, द एटमॉस्फेयर इज अ mixture of different components. Of these, nitrogen and oxygen are the two main gases. Dear students, very easily you can see the composition of air. In this composition you can see that the most part of it has nitrogen, that is 78%, and after it oxygen is there in 21%, and the remaining part of these gases like 0.9 argon and carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium and ozone, all these gases constitute 0.03%. Now dear students, while nitrogen makes about 78% of the atmosphere, oxygen forms about 21% of it. Both these gases are necessary to sustain life, as nitrogen helps in the growth of living organisms and oxygen is used for breathing. एंड यू नो वेरी वेल कि एटमॉस्फेयर के अंदर इन दोनों गैसेस की जो प्रेजेंस है उसकी वजह से भी लाइफ पॉसिबल है. बिकॉज जो नाइट्रोजन है वो ग्रोथ में हेल्प करती है, जो आपके प्लांट्स होते हैं उनकी ग्रोथ के लिए नाइट्रोजन हेल्प, एंड ऑक्सीजन जो है इट इज यूज्ड फॉर ब्रीथिंग. नाउ ओपन द नेक्स्ट पेज 136. अदर कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द atmosphere include water vapor, dust particles and traces of different gases like carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium, etc. So this is all about the composition of air, and in the next topic we will read about the structure of the atmosphere. Okay dear students, thank you and have a nice day.